Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss computer. Do you have this book? New log on to computers too? Then please pause the video and take out the book because you are going to read this book along with me. Ready? Now open lesson 1. Computer, an electronic device. In this chapter, you will be learning about computer, an electronic device, working of a computer, differences between the working of computers and humans, advantages of a computer and disadvantages of a computer. Surprising, no? We feel computer is very useful. It has got many advantages, but it has got disadvantages also. Let's see. Now this boy is trying to work on a computer. What is wrong with this computer? Tanya, can you please help me? Now she is Tanya. Oh, didn't you check that the switch is unplugged? Unplugged means it is removed from its plug. Remember that a computer is an electronic machine. Please tell me more about it, Tanya. Now, this boy also wants to know more, and so you will also learn some more information about this. Those machines which work on electricity are known as electronic machines. Do you know there are many machines in our home which run on electricity, like television? Can you tell me few more? Yes, washing machine. Yes, mixer and grinder. Very good. Oh well, there are few machines. Not all the machines which are working on electricity are called electronic machines. Some machines need high power of electricity, like washing machine, fan. They are called electrical machines. And the machines like computer, television are electronic machines. They need electricity, but that is less powerful electricity. Okay, so what we learned? Those machines which work on electricity are known as electronic machines. A computer is also a machine and works on electricity. So, it is an electronic machine. So, this needs electricity, but this electricity is of low power, less powerful. You can do many tasks on a computer. Some of them are shown below. Typing letters, solving sums. Next page. Listening to music, watching cartoons and movies. We all love watching cartoons and movies, right? Okay. Now, working of a computer. Generally, machines follow the IPO cycle to work. What is this IPO cycle? They work through three basic steps: input, process, output. I for input, P for process, and O for output. IPO cycle. Let us consider the following example to understand how the IPO cycle works. Now, here they are making popcorns. So, what is input? Corns. What is process? Hitting corns. And what is output? Yum yum. Popcorns. Similarly, a computer also follows the IPO, that is input, process, and output cycle to work. It is primarily used to input data, process it based on the given instructions. These instructions are called program. Okay, to produce the required final output. Differences between the working of computers and humans. You have learned about the working of a computer. Let us now learn how its working is different from the working of humans. Turn the page. On next page, we have difference between how computers work and how we human works. A computer works very fast. Humans cannot work as fast as computer, right? A computer never gets bored or tired, but humans may get bored and tired after some time. You also get bored and tired, right? After writing your worksheets and notes. Yeah, but computer never gets bored and tired. A computer never makes mistakes. Humans can make mistakes. A computer never forgets things. Humans can forget things, right? We can forget things, but computer never forgets things, right? Next page. A computer is a smart machine. However, a computer has some limitations also. Let us know about them. What is limitation? Limitation means something which that cannot do. What are those things? A computer cannot take decisions on its own, but humans can take decisions. A computer has no feelings. Humans have feelings, right? A computer cannot eat food. It works on electricity. Humans do not work on electricity. They need food, water, and air to live, right? Next page. Advantages of a computer. Speed. A computer works very fast. It can perform a large number of tasks quickly. It takes only a few seconds for calculations that you might take hours to perform. Storage capacity. A computer can store a large amount of data and information in its memory. Unlike humans, it never forgets the information stored in it. Next advantage, electronic presentation. Nowadays, computers are used to give presentations in meetings and gatherings in schools, offices, restaurants, and many other places. We can present pictures, graphs, videos, and data to a large audience easily and clearly. Automation. A computer performs many tasks automatically. It gives the correct results. For example, we can withdraw money in a simple process from the ATM without going to the bank, right? There is, have you seen ATM machines? Yes. So that machine works on its own, right? We enter some keys and we get money. Interesting. Calculations. Calculation. A computer can do difficult and time taking calculations very easily and accurately. It never gets bored and tired of doing same calculations over and over again. Teaching and learning. A computer is very useful as an information tool. It makes the process of teaching and learning more enjoyable, interactive, and interesting. It also helps in distance learning programs. Now, what are we doing currently? I am teaching, you are learning, right? And what we are doing, we are doing distance learning because I am sitting somewhere else and you are sitting at your home and learning, right? Okay, here on each page, I forgot to tell you, I have mentioned important words from this page. Okay, and you try to understand these words, spellings. Okay, these colors are telling you where to break this spelling and learn easily. When you break big spellings into small pieces appropriately, it is easy to learn them, right? So I have given you um, some breaking of the spellings which I feel easy for me, right? It will be easy for you also, but you may find some other way of breaking spellings. And no need to learn each and every spelling, but just try to look at these spellings and try to understand how these spellings are, made of different parts, right? Just try to understand these words. It's interesting to know how this word is formed. Okay, so on each page you will find this kind of important word list. You may not learn spelling of each and every word, but it will be interesting to see, look at these words and its spellings, how these words are formed. Okay, let's go to next page. Oh, oh, disadvantages of a computer. Disadvantages, opposite of advantages. What are these disadvantages of a computer? Impact on environment. A computer is an electronic machine. When these electronic devices are dumped, means they are not useful, so we throw them away, right? So it is dumped. It creates a large amount of electronic waste or e-waste. If such kind of waste is not treated properly, treated properly means they are not taken care of properly, it can be a source of toxins and poisons that pollute the environment. We just cannot throw e-waste like that anywhere, right? Because it can be a source of toxins and poisons that pollute the environment. And we should not pollute the environment, right? So we should not throw e-waste, that is electronic waste, like that anywhere. Okay. Impact on health. If we work on computer for a very long time, it leads to various health problems like backache, eye strain, obesity, cervical pain, and many others. Now, backache, ache means pain, backache, okay, back pain, eye strain, okay, when you watch a smartphone or when you watch cartoons or movies on tab or smartphone for long time, or if you watch television for long time, it hurts your eyes, right? So same way, it is similar, in similar way, if you are working on computer for a long time, eye strain problem is there. Obesity, yes, obesity means becoming little fat. If you are working long on a computer, you are sitting at one place, so you are not burning your calories, right? So obesity is fatness, cervical pain, and many others. Another disadvantage, virus attacks. A computer virus can harm the computer by destroying saved files or prevent the computer from working properly. Okay, what is virus? Nowadays we are hearing about, listening many things about coronavirus, right? Which is affecting humans, human health, right? But this virus is computer virus. Means what? It is a program, right? Which is harming our computer by destroying saved files or prevent the computer from working properly. So this virus, computer virus, is a program, okay, which may destroy or which destroys saved files or it doesn't allow computer to work properly. Then what do we need for that? An antivirus program should be installed to protect the computer from virus. Cyber crimes. You know crimes? When a person does something wrong, right? If a person harms somebody, if a person troubles somebody, if person does something which that person is not allowed to do, it is all we call it as crimes, right? What is cybercrime? Cyber is the word which is related to internet. So, what is cybercrime? Cybercrime is a crime related to internet. Cybercrime is an offense. Offense means wrongdoing. Okay? That is done by stealing our confidential information. S- Confidential information that we don't want to share it with anyone. It is our own personal information, right? That is called confidential information, like our name, internet banking password. What is password? Password is, you all know, right? I'm just telling you again. Password is a word which is unique and it is secret, okay? Which only you know, right? The password owner will only know that secret word, and that word is used to get access, or if you know this password, you can access your important things like internet banking, right? And other important details via the internet or emails, right? So, what is cybercrime? Cybercrime is an offense that is done by stealing our confidential information like our name, internet banking password, and other important details via the internet or emails. So, what we learned, let's recall. A computer is an electronic machine. It follows the IPO, that is, input dash process dash output cycle to work. A computer has various advantages like speed and storage capacity. A computer also has its disadvantages like its harmful impact on the environment, virus attacks, cyber crimes, and so on. The impact on our health also is very important, right? Okay, next. Okay, now have you completed the notes, worksheets which school has shared with you? No? Yes? Very good. If you have done, it's very good. If you have not done, please do it right away. Okay? Don't keep the work pending because otherwise it will, if you keep your work pending, then one day you will have huge amount of writing. You don't like, right? So keep writing your notes regularly. Okay, now these are the exercises in the textbook. So once you finish your notes, try to solve this. Very simple, very easy. I'm sure you will be able to do it. Next page. This is also another exercise. Very simple. This is the matching the characteristics. So try to solve this exercise also, and that's all for today. Bye. Thank you.